Naghahanap ka ba ng work from home na 101% non-voice? May BPO experience ka or kahit wala, pero sanay ka magbatak ng utak, then this video is for you. Hi, my name is Mary. I post easy to follow daily tasks that you can do to start your freelancing journey. Every day, nagpo-post ako ng mga bagong videos na pwede mong sundan as some sort of roadmap kung gusto nyo na maging freelancer, virtual assistant, or gusto nyo na mag-work from home gamit ang computer at internet. And for today's video, eto na yung madalas tinatanong talaga ng mga tao sa akin. Like, paano po pag nag-enroll kami, sigurado po ba na may work na? Ang lagi kong sagot, nope. Nope. That's just not how it works. Because we want you to be as independent as possible. But this time, we want to reward yung top performers ng training na to. Specifically for this training lang ha. Kasi sa training na to, mababatak talaga yung utak ninyo just because this is something na matagal na naming tina-target, which is yung zero to client. However, ayaw kasi namin na magte-train kami at aasa na lang kayo sa amin na after yung mabayad lang kayo, mag-enroll kayo pagkatapos may work na kayo. No. No. We will reward the valedictorian of this training for each class an opportunity to actually work with a client na may bayad po. We call this training technical writing. So kung ikaw ay analytical, detail-oriented, ikaw ay curious and inquisitive. Taray ng mga terms ko, no? You have good comm skills. You like writing. You breathe writing. You have this problem-solving mindset. You're very adaptable. Ikaw ay may empathy and you're a very collaborative person as a whole and you're open to learning new ideas from other people. At meron kang isang subject na you can talk passionately about, then perhaps this training is for you. A freelance technical writer is a self-employed professional who provides technical writing services on a contract basis. So, instead of being a full-time employee of a single company, kagaya ng ibang freelancer, a freelance technical writer works independently and typically serves multiple clients or projects simultaneously. Bilang freelance technical writer, pwedeng magsulat ka ng mga technical documentation, you'll be doing research and gathering information, structuring and organizing contents, pwede ring editin ka or ipag-proofread ng client mo, pwede ding mag-check ka ng competition and basically adapt to target audience. Ayan. You also will be doing collaboration with clients and stakeholders of the company and you will be managing projects and deadlines under technical writing department with the operations. Now, you have to keep up with industry trends. And because of this, we realized that there is potential in actually training people and eventually pairing them with clients. But since ang technical writing nga requires brainy and brain cells, ito yung sinabi namin nung nag-uusap kami ni Coach Potato who will be the trainer for this particular camp. Number 1, ang session na to ay level 3, which means merong 2 to 3 sessions kayo around 2 to 4 hours each session. Para siyang bootcamp style. So, instead of us just doing a formal setup na magkaharap, tuturuan namin sa iyo kung anong ginagawa, kailangan yung mga trainees ay gagamit talaga ng kanilang resourcefulness and creativeness in writing para makapag-come up ng outputs nila. And then, we will be choosing a valedictorian for this class who will then be hired by Coach Potato's team. So yes, if kayo po ang mag-top dun sa klase na yon, diretso na kayong hire ni Coach Potato para sa team niya. Now, just like any other classes na meron kami sa level 3, meron kayong live sessions, lahat ng recording ipopost namin sa Google Classroom, meron kayong 2 weeks na internship program where you will be working closely with Coach Potato. After that, you will have your application book, tuturuan namin kayo mag-apply. You'll have your final activity session. Magsasubmit kayo ng lahat ng kailangan nyo for your application book and you'd be able to book a call with me. It's a one-on-one call, 30-minute call na para ma-certify namin kayo. During the course of this training, Pipili na rin kami ng top performers na imamatch para dun sa mga clients ni Coach Potato sa team niya. Yes, narinig niyo po yun. May live session, may recording, may internship, may application book kung paano mag-apply, and the possibility of actually getting hired by a client after the internship. If hindi pa rin to sapat sa inyo, hindi ko na lang alam talaga kung ano bang gusto nyong iibigay namin sa inyo. Bigay na bigay, todo na to. If you guys are interested to join, pinost ko talaga siya na 11:00 ng gabi para lang doon sa mga chikadora natin na panggabi. The form is now open. Punta lang kayo sa profile ko, i-click nyo tong link na to. Kung nasa Instagram ko naman kayo, i-click nyo lang yon. Kung nasa Facebook ko naman kayo, i-check nyo na lang yung caption. At kung makikita nyo naman tong video na to sa YouTube ko, description box lang. You will then be taken to this page. I'm pretty sure familiar na kayo dyan. Makikita nyo doon, technical writing. Andyan na rin, tatabi nga ako dito. Technical writing, 999 pesos lang po. Lahat ng nabanggit ko. Just like by-demand classes na meron kami noon, kagaya ng Amazon na regular na ngayon, hindi po guaranteed na may next session ito. And the first and only class, I think. First and only class ay ngayong dadating na Sabado at Linggo. So kung kayo ay interesado, mag-enroll na po kagad kayo just because malapit na rin namin i-close kagad yung form. We wanna keep this training as tight-knit as possible kasi gusto na ni Coach Potato is nakafocus talaga siya dun sa mga students. Medyo urgent na rin kasi yung hiring ng company nila. So kailangan na kagad niyang makapag-close ng technical writer para dun sa clients nila. Quick recap lang tayo. Technical writing program, it's more of a boot camp. It'll have live session, internship, application book session, final activity session, one-on-one interview with me, and one-on-one coaching with me. You'd also have 2 weeks of internship. And then after nun, kung sino man yung valedictorian for that particular batch will be matched with the clients. Hindi ako sure kung isa o dalawa yung makukuha. Depende rin siguro sa performance ng mga mentees. It's only 999 pesos. At sa Sabado at Linggo na yung klase nito, 8 a.m. till 12 noon. Sa mga magtatanong kung may certification to, yes, sinabi ko na po kanina. After nung lahat ng yon, after ng mock interview, that's when certification happens. At tapos, ano pa ba mga pwedeng question? How po? Panoorin nyo na lang hanggang sa huli nitong video. Napakita ko ng lahat. 999 pesos lang. Sa weekend na yung class. Mag-enroll na kayo. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!